Hello everyone, welcome to TeX1BP Store. Today I'm going to show you the functions of our Korean style smart door lock. Now let's roughly have a look at the lock. Okay, and there's a cover here to be noted to protect the scratch from people or clients. Second, I'm going to show you the code function. Okay, next, app function. First, you have to open the app store to download our TT lock. And second, finish the registration, and then you will see the interface like that. Okay, now I'm going to show you the app function. Before that, you need to open the Bluetooth function on the phone. Also, there's E-key function here to set the time, active time, expire time. The second, you can send the password also the time, one time clear. Okay, finish. And the last is our traditional style to use the key to open the lock. First, we need to use the Allen key to open. Okay, finish. Thank you.